Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you something different. These are my favorite apps to use for making thumbnails, for making album artworks, for making anything like that you might want to use as a cover for something. First, you're going to want to find out, besides knowing what apps you want to use, and there's plenty other ones out there, but these are just my favorite ones. First, you're going to find out what dimensions you need. Now for album artworks, you're going to need a perfect square. You're going to need 1600 by 1600. For YouTube thumbnails, you're going to want 1920 by 1080. That's going to be that rectangular shape, and that's going to be the best resolution for that. The number one app that I can't go without is called Over. All of these apps that I'm telling you about are free, but Over is what I use to basically drag and drop PNG images in. I use it so I can put text over an image, so I can make a background and then put something over it. Over. It's called Over. It's in the App Store. I'm pretty sure it's available for Android as well. Second one that I'm going to suggest is called Color Photo Edit. Color Photo Edit is good for basically taking a picture. You can either change the color of it, you can switch it to negative to just reverse it, like an X-ray machine type of effect, or to turn a white image into black. It changes the black to white and the white to black. You get the picture. So yeah, that's really great for, if you go into Over, you create basically a canvas that's white, then you put a letter onto the canvas, change it to white so you can save that as a photo. Then you bring it over to Color Photo Edit. Now you can change the color of your background to any color that you want your background for your thumbnail to be, or your album artwork, or whatever. You could be making a video game or a sound kit or whatever, your cover. Once you know your dimensions, make it in Over, drag it over to Color Photo Edit. Now you can have a canvas, make it whatever color you want it to be. Another one that I would consider to be a must-have is Photoshop Mix. This is where you can make PNG images. You're going to be able to take and basically cut out the borders or the things around a part of an image, whether it's your face, whether it's an object, whether it's your cat's face, whatever, so you can take the surrounding areas of the photo out from it. You're going to have to do a lot of zooming in to be able to make it really, really clean and everything. So for the purpose of making this video, I didn't really go super neat with it. I just basically showed you the basics of what to do. I have some that I've made already that are a little bit neater looking, but I made one just in front of you with my cat right here, so you can see basically the process and how easy it is to do. You just got to take more time doing it if you want it to look cleaner. But yeah, there's that. Here's some examples of ones that I've done before though. So as you can see, it's essentially a cutout, and it's turning a JPEG image or whatever type of image, just a regular image, a regular photo, you're turning it into a photo that doesn't have any borders. It's basically like a sticker of a portion of a photo that you want to use. So I think that's a pretty cool thing that you can use to make some custom things using the apps Over, Photoshop Mix, as well as other apps, as well as Color Edit and many other things. There's just many options when you're combining different apps together, different effects, all sorts of things to get different types of results that you may want to get for your videos, artworks, anything like that. You can use Photoshop Mix to cut out your logo, for instance, and then use that as something to put, maybe as a watermark on your YouTube videos. Whatever, the possibilities are endless. Literally, it's all about knowing what tools are out there and what the possibilities are, and letting your imagination run wild with it.